Seven Steps on How to Meditate, a Beginner's Guide. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 useful steps on how to meditate for beginners. Meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can help you reduce stress, improve focus, and increase feelings of happiness for your overall health and well-being. If you're new to meditation, don't worry. We'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. Step 1, find a quiet place. The first step to meditating is finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. It could be a room in your house, a quiet park, or any other peaceful location. Sit comfortably with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. Embracing solitude, it is crucial to cultivate a sense of comfort in being alone, and silence can aid in this process. At times, this can be challenging, particularly in the beginning stages. However, we have discovered that silence helps to confront our inner self, and avoid the urge to escape. Frequently, we must confront the internal noise that distracts us from our true essence. Step 2, focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then, let your breath flow naturally and focus your attention on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. Notice how your chest and belly rise and fall with each breath. If your mind starts to wander, simply bring your attention back to your breath. The practice of breath work can effectively alleviate an acute stress response and mitigate the health issues associated with chronic stress. Deep abdominal breathing triggers the body's relaxation response, which can help lower blood pressure levels. Step 3, notice your thoughts. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may notice thoughts and distractions arising in your mind. This is normal. Instead of getting frustrated or trying to push the thoughts away, simply notice them without judgment and bring your attention back to your breath. Through cultivating awareness and detaching from our thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and knowledge, we can attain a more expansive and liberating mental space. This allows us to detach from the effects of our thoughts and feelings, and be more present and at ease with the ongoing flow of life's experiences as they unfold in each moment. Step 4, practice for a few minutes. When you're first starting out, it's best to meditate for just a few minutes at a time. Try starting with 2 to 5 minutes and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Meditation can also be utilized for relaxation and stress management, by redirecting your focus towards a soothing object or thought. Through meditation, you can cultivate the ability to remain grounded and maintain inner tranquility. Step 5, try different techniques. There are many different meditation techniques you can try. Some people find it helpful to focus on a mantra or a specific word or phrase. Others prefer to visualize a peaceful scene or object. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. Try out these meditation techniques to find the method that works best for you, such as mindfulness meditation, guided meditation, chakra meditation, and yoga meditation. Step 6, be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to meditation. Try to practice for a few minutes every day, preferably at the same time and in the same place. This will help you establish a routine to make meditation a habit. Step 7, don't judge yourself. Finally, it's important to remember that meditation is a practice. You don't have to be perfect. Don't judge yourself or get frustrated if you find it difficult to quiet your mind at first. With consistent practice, you'll gradually build the skill of meditation and experience the many benefits it has to offer. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to meditation. Remember, meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can help you reduce stress, improve focus, and increase feelings of happiness and well-being. With consistent practice, you'll start to experience the benefits of meditation for yourself. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Started